Do you think starting a YouTube channel is hard? Not with this faceless YouTube niche. Now, this is the easiest faceless YouTube channel niche. Anyone can start today. So you don't have any excuse. You can do this with your mobile phone. You don't need a laptop to do what I'm about to show you. All right, nothing more. Now, if you go to this channel here, you can see that they have 215,000 subscribers. Now, what's special about this channel? Let's go to socialblade.com. And if you scroll down here, the same channel, you can see that they are making close to $550 per month. And in a year, they're making close to $6,000, 6,000 pounds, whatever. And if you check this other channel, SoakStream, they have close to 800,000 subscribers. And let's check them on socialblade.com. You can see how much they are making every day. Let's see how much they are making every day. They are making close to $200 every day. They are making close to $200 every day, and they are making close to $1,300 or $400,000 every week. And you're sleeping. You're saying that I don't know what to create. You don't have any excuse. All right. This video, you don't have any excuse. Watch this video. See, they are making close to $6,000 in a month and close to $68,000 in a year. You're sleeping. You're sleeping. Now, if you're saying, oh, I'm a small channel, what if I'm just starting? If I have 0 subscribers? Watch these videos. Let me show you this channel. Now, this channel has just 4,000 subscribers. And wait, let me bust your head, right? You can see here they only have 82 views, 83 views, 68 views, 53 views. Wait. Now let's sort this by popular, and you can see that they have 62,000 views, 40,000 views, 38,000 views, and all that. They are still having views, even if they are small channel. That means you have the chance, you have the opportunity to try and implement what I'm about to show you to get even better results than what this channel is getting. And if you're wondering, how are you sure that they are monetized? I don't want to waste time creating content and not get monetized. Calm down. Let's find out. Let's go to this website and find out if they're actually monetized or they're making money, right? We're going to go to ytlarge.com, and then we're going to take a video link from the channel. We'll copy a video link here, and we are going to go back to ytlarge and paste it. Enter this, press enter. And if you scroll down here to the bottom, you can see that this video is monetized. This video is perceived as original. If you've ever struggled with creating content, this video is for you. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you the simplest faceless niche that you can start today. All right, my name is Charles and I help people grow. Let's go. All right, the first thing that we're going to do is to check out this easy niche and see what's actually happening. If you're starting a new niche, you want to look at the best performing videos so that you can see that they have enough views, and so that you can learn from the best channels in that niche. You just want to jump into a river that is not flowing. So we are going to go to YouTube and search for inspiration Bible verses. Now, this is our search result. You can see this video here has 9.3 million views. You scroll down, this video has 2.3 million views. You see, they are getting good views, but we don't want to look at this. All right, you don't want to just scroll. We want to understand if this niche has good views. So we are going to click on filter and then click on view count, and you can see the highest views this niche has. Highest views is 21 million views, and this was 3 years ago. Let's scroll down to see if within the last year they've gotten millions of views. All right, so let's scroll down, and you can see here this channel has 3 million views in the last year. Within 1 year, 3.5 million views. And if you scroll down, this has 2.4 million views, and you can see that they're actually doing well, all right, in this niche. This shows you that if you create content, you have the chance to get views, because these channels are getting millions of views. If you open this particular channel and then sort the views by most popular, you can see their most popular view has gotten up to 9.4 million views, and this was not too about 4 years ago. So you can see it's 4 years and it's still gathering more views. All right, this type of videos are what they call evergreen content. That means in the next 5 years, people keep listening and watching your videos. So let's look at this content posted 4 days ago, 25,000 views, and it's all right. Next year, it's still going to get more views. Within the next 2 years, it's going to get more views, because of the type of content, because it's a Bible verse type content. All right, it is not just some trending thing. It's something that is evergreen. Within the next 10 years, people are still going to be reading the Bible, listening to God's word and all that. So this is the perfect channel to create. This is the perfect niche to start if you don't want to show your face, and if you want to do it very quick. These videos can take you only 5 minutes to create. This type of videos can take you like 5 to 10 minutes to create. So it's not like you're going to be spending hours creating videos. Now we are going to get started, and I'm going to show you how to do it in just 3 steps. I broke it down into steps so that you don't just go and do it without a strategy. A good strategy will help you to be consistent and grow fast. So the first step is to go to ChatGPT and say, write top 10 Bible verses about mercy. And then we press enter. But wait, we don't want to do that. We are not like everybody. This is what everybody's going to do. They're just going to go and just spill it out. No, don't do that. All right? It's not like it's bad. It's not bad. Everyone is doing that. But this is what you should do instead. All right? Follow this strategy. So we're going to say, create a 60-day content plan with 1 post per day using topics similar to top 10 Bible verses about mercy, top 10 Bible verses about love, top 10 Bible verses about grace, top 10 Bible prayer verses for forgiveness, top 10 Bible prayer verses for blessings from God, top 10 Bible prayer verses for wealth and money. Write the topics only starting from day 1. The title must be similar to the titles above. In the previous post, we just told ChatGPT to give us 10 Bible verses about mercy. The reason why we are doing this or saying this is because we want to have 60 days worth of content before posting any video. This is going to help us grow fast and force the algorithm to push our videos. So with this strategy, in just few days, you're going to have 2 months worth of content. Now, this is the secret of consistency and YouTube growth. You can do 1 video in 5 minutes, so 60 videos is just a matter of hours. Okay, so even if you can't do 60 days worth of content, just do as much as possible so you can post every day. All right, so subscribe to join this community if you haven't. There are more helpful videos in this channel, and also hit the like button. All right, so you can see we added similar topics to these that are here, so ChatGPT would know the type of topic we want. All right, we want it to give us a content plan for 60 days. So ChatGPT will create 60 topics for day 1, day 2, for the next 2 months. And we are guiding it by giving it these 10 topics. We are training it. All right. This is how you train ChatGPT. So what we are going to do is we are going to press enter. Okay. So we have 60 days worth of content, but the titles are not as good as it should be. All right. Every title should be attention grabbing. You're going to love what I'm about to share next, right? Now, we are going to tell ChatGPT something. We are going to say, write again, each title should grab attention and be click worthy. So we are just telling ChatGPT to rewrite everything that it has done, but with titles that would grab attention and titles that are clickbaity, click worthy, right? Now, this is very important. Okay, because you can see here that these titles here are just regular topics, just regular titles and all that. We want it to change it to be attention grabbing. Okay, now it is important to follow the same steps that I'm sharing so you can get the same result. I started from giving the first prompt and then the next, and just follow it step by step. Do the same thing so you get the same result. You just don't want to pack everything and send to ChatGPT once. It won't give you a good result. All right, so we are going to send this. Now you can see the titles that is giving us. Even the first one will blow your mind. See, 10 Bible verses about mercy that will melt your heart. And then day 2, these 10 Bible verses on love will transform your relationships. Now you can see the third one, feel the power of grace with these 10 inspiring Bible verses. Unlock forgiveness, 10 Bible prayer verses you need today. Want more blessings? These 10 Bible verses will inspire you. Now, from the topic alone, someone would want to click to watch this video, to watch this content. All right, you can see the difference. You can see how we have trained it up to this point. What I just taught you now will help you in any form of video creation to help you get better titles for your videos. So it has changed the titles to attention grabbing titles And you can see from day 1 to day 60. So you have 60 days worth of content already. How many minutes so far? This is already 2 minutes. The next thing we're going to do is to copy this content plan, because it's very important. We're going to copy this content plan, keep on copy. Okay, and then we're going to open Google Doc and paste the titles here. All right, we have our content plan for 2 months, 60 days. Great. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to go back to ChatGPT. We're going to say, write Bible verses for the first day, which is 10 Bible verses about mercy that will melt your heart. So we are going to paste it here. All right, 10 Bible verses that will melt your heart. And then we are going to say, don't add bullet points and any formatting. All right, it's just going to give us a plain text. So it won't have these asterisk, hash things. All these are codes for formatting and bullet points. So we are telling you to write it without giving all this hash star thing. All right, so we're going to send this. Great, it has given us the answer. We have our content ready for day 1. What we're going to do is to copy it, and then we're going to go to our Google Doc. We are going to open new tab, all right, and paste our day 1 content. We have our day 1 content. So you're just going to do this for day 2. The same thing. You just copy this prompt and change the title here to day 2 title. You do it for day 3, day 4, all till you get to day 60. All right, and then you paste it on the Google Doc so you have it. So now that we have this, we are ready for the real magic. We are going to copy everything here, and we are going to go to 11labs.com. 11labs is a tool that allows you to turn text to speech. All right, you click on go to app, and then we are going to paste that text here. All right, we have the text. Now, this is very important. The key to this type of videos is the voice. The voice has to be calm. It has to be soothing. It has to be peaceful. So when you're selecting a voice, do it carefully, all right? Choose a voice that would match this ambience, this frequency, all right? Now, to find a voice, go to voices, and then you see all the voices that are available. Play and look for the one that fits. Look for the one that fits whatever you're doing. Now, like I said, we need a calm voice, a soothing voice for this. So we are going to click on Thomas. Let's hear this.
I'd rather regret the things that I...
This is the voice we want. We want a very calm voice. All right. Now we're going to select this Thomas. We're going to click on use. And yeah, this is Thomas. Next thing we're going to do is to click on generate.
Psalm 145, 8 to 9. The Lord is gracious and full of compassion, slow to anger, and great.
So you can see how soft it is, right?
And his tender mercies are over all his works.
So once you have our voice ready, we download it. All right. Next, we are going to open CapCut, and you're not doing any editing. Like I said, it's going to take you like 5 minutes, 10 minutes to do it. You're not editing. You're not doing any special thing. All right. You see, just hold on. Now that we have CapCut open, we are going to import the audio. And yes, we have our audio set. Let's play this.
Psalm 145, 8 to 9. The Lord is gracious and full of compassion.
So our audio is ready. We are already done with what I want to show you, but this part is important. Now, this is the secret sauce. Let's go to this website, pixel.com. We're going to go to pixel.com, and then we are going to change this to video. And we are going to search for beach. All right. Now we are going to look for a calm beach video. We just need one. We don't need more than one. All right. So we are going to use this, and we're going to download it. We've downloaded it. So I'm going to add the video here. So you can see the video has been added, and you can see here that the video is short. It's not long enough. But what we are going to do, we are just going to copy and paste, copy and paste until we are not adding different videos. We are using the same video throughout the video. Okay, if you want to use different videos, fine, but you don't need to. So just copied everything. Now you can see, and the next thing we're going to do is to click on ratio and change to YouTube size 16:9. You have to be sure that it is YouTube size. All right, 16:9. Right, it is YouTube size now, which is 16:9. So we are almost done. But one more thing, before we forget, one more thing. We are going to go to this website called pixabay.com, and then we are going to search for meditation music, and then we change this to music. All right, let's play this. just play and choose the one that fits whatever you're doing. Choose a nice one. So we are going to use this. Like I said, Pixabay has copyright free music, free sounds. So be sure that you use Pixabay, all right? So you won't get copyright strikes. So we are going to click on download, and then we add the sound here on CapCut. All right, so we are going to trim it, all right, to make sure it gets to the end of the video, and just, yeah. Now we are almost there. Let's play this. Let's see what we have. If you're enjoying this video, just give it a like and subscribe for more amazing content. Now, this is where it gets even more powerful, because we are almost done. We are 98% done with this. So we are going to play this.
Psalm 145, 8 to 9. The Lord is gracious and full of compassion, slow to anger, and great in mercy.
If the sound is too loud, you just reduce it a bit. All right, and then play it.
Great in mercy. The Lord is good to all, and his tender mercies are over all his works.
So, are you enjoying it? Let's add one more thing that will make this cool. All right, let's click on the audio and click on text, and then click on generate. All right, so now we have the caption. What we are going to do is to click on text, click on templates, and then look for a very nice calm template, not very noisy, very calm template. All right, once we are going to add this template. All right, we're going to choose it.
Psalm 145.
Now this caption is calm. Everything needs to be calm. It needs to follow the frequency of the video. So what we're going to do next is just to move this caption towards the center of the video, so that if people are watching it, they can, see the write-up. So we are going to move it to the top. Just going to select it and move it up somewhere at the center, and then let's play it.
And full of compassion, slow to anger, and great in mercy. The Lord is good to all, and his tender mercies are over all his works. Micah 7:18. Who is a God like you, pardoning iniquity and passing over the transgression?
Now we are done with our video. The next thing we are going to do is to export, and we are done. So we are going to export this video quickly. All right, we are done. Let's watch the video for some seconds and see what we have done so far. So share your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about this video? Let's watch it.
Psalm 145, 8 to 9. The Lord is gracious and full of compassion, slow to anger, and great in mercy. The Lord is good to all, and his tender mercies are over all his works. Micah 7:18. Who is a God like you, pardoning iniquity and passing over the transgression?
All right, so before we wrap up, you need to hear this next part. I know I have taken time to break down things in this tutorial in a way that even a 10-year-old will succeed. It is that easy. These types of videos should take less than 10 minutes to make. You don't have excuse to not create content. Like I said before, the secret is consistency. Don't expect to blow up in one video. Don't, all right? It's going to take more than that. You have to create multiple videos so that you're going to give YouTube the opportunity to push one of your videos, okay? And if one blows up, other ones will start performing. That's why I taught you the 60 days content plan strategy. So in 60 days, you give YouTube enough videos to push you out there. If you don't understand, watch this video again. And if you have questions, just drop it in the comment section and I'm going to reply you. I'm going to try my best to reply the comment section. And if you have not subscribed, subscribe. There are lots of helpful videos in this channel. Like this video and share it to your friends that you want to help grow. Help someone grow by sharing them a video that will change their life. All right, and don't stop there. My next video is packed with more insights. Go and watch. I'll see you there. Go ahead and watch.